Welcome to my kitchen. It's raining, so I don't know if you guys are going to be able to hear that. And the camera's a little crooked, but you gotta do what you gotta do. But today, you guys are gonna be cooking with me. And I'm making a pound cake, and if you guys want, but I'm on the way to the grocery store right now because I actually bought the wrong order yesterday, but it's raining, so I'm gonna get off here. So I'm at the grocery store, but I'm waiting for it to like kind of slack off so I can get out. And it's funny just watching these people in their car, but that's about to be me. I made it into the grocery store.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
I just got a bath. So I'm back in the car now, and as you can see, I got a bath. God. So they didn't have everything. Well, I had to get margarine and then salted butter, and they only had the margarine here, so I gotta go to the other grocery store on the other end of town. I'm at the next grocery store, and luckily as soon as I pulled up, the rain kind of slacked off, so I got to come right in. And if they don't have butter here, I'm gonna scream. They don't have it. I'm gonna lose my mind. There's only one more grocery store that I can go to, and if not, there will be no bake with me, and I'm so let's go to this grocery store. All right, my hair is all messed up. Okay. Oh my god, if they don't have it here, I'm gonna be really upset. This music is really loud in here. My hair is all kinds of messed up, but I don't know, everybody's just buying everything here in North Carolina. But normally I use the Land O'Lakes salted butter, but the only kind I can find is this Crystal Farm. So I'm gonna try this with this cake, and for all I know, it could literally ruin it, but I really don't have a choice because I can't find any more. And by the way, I got in my car and spilled change everywhere, so right now I'm picking that up. So we can finally go home after 3 grocery stores. So welcome to my kitchen. So today we're making a pound cake, and let's hope that this goes good. If not, that will be very depressing because as you guys seen, I went to 3 different grocery stores. By the way, I'm gonna put the recipe in the description, so if you guys want to make this. But like you guys seen, I couldn't get one of the right kinds of butter, so if this fails, that's the only thing I'll be able to blame it on. So let's go.
Turn the TV down.
What? Turn the TV down real quick. You can really hear that. Before you start, your butter needs to be room temperature, so that's what I'm doing now. And it's been out for a little bit, so I'm gonna eat this salad. I gotta get a real fork. Roger, what do you want?
Are you recording yourself eating the salad? Yep.
Did I say leave the butter out so it can be room temperature? I already preheated the oven. You preheated it to 350. So now we're actually gonna get started on actually making it. So first we're supposed to mix the sugar and butter. So you need 3 cups of sugar.
Honey, I was in tears almost. And it has a white refrigerator. I was like, oh, not a white refrigerator. Girl, please put your shoes on. Let's go find you a home, honey.
2 sticks of salted butter and then 1 of margarine. So I gotta measure my 3 cups of sugar.
There's another container there with sugar in it.
Where at? I can't see.
Come on here to the spaceship, but the flying saucer looking good. It's almost
So I got a bowl. I'm gonna pour the sugar in there. And the butter. Oh God. Want to come out? There we go. Now I got the handy dandy mixer. We don't really bake a lot, so well, I like to make things. Mama's not really a big baker. Those are kind of cool ones, like the bowl ones. Put the things in it. And then we're just gonna mix. So when you do mixing, it should look something like this, like an egg kind of consistency. So that's how you know you've mixed it well enough. Okay, so now you just add your cake flour, your milk, and your eggs like slowly, and that's what we're gonna do. So let's see. I need another. Okay, so we're gonna add. Whoa. Okay. Gonna add a little bit of flour. And then some milk. And now we're gonna mix. Okay. I cleaned the things out. Add another egg. Flour. Mix. Okay, and it's gonna keep getting thinner and thinner. Some more flour. Some milk. Okay, now we're adding the last egg. Okay, so now I'm gonna add some vanilla extract. Mix it again. Then with a clean spoon, you're gonna try it to see like if it tastes right.
Very good.
I know you're not supposed to eat raw batter, but I'm sorry. But it tastes pretty good, and it has like a kind of tastes like a cupcake batter would. God, it's dark. So now I'm gonna get my pan and butter it, and then add it to the pan, and I'll be back. Normally this isn't the kind of pan that you would use, but that's all we got, so it works. So I'm just gonna butter it the best I can. That should be good enough. I pour my masterpiece, if I can move this thing, into the pan. So first I need to take these things out.
He's here. The judge. The judge knows you're here.
God. That scared me. So I'm gonna shake it and try to even it out. And then I'm gonna pop this in the oven and so it's to cook for like cook this for an hour and a half, but of course you need to watch it, and like any other sweet, just like watch it, because of course everyone's oven's gonna cook it different. But I'm gonna put this in the oven. So it's currently the next night, but
Period.
this cake smacks.
Period.
So y'all should make it.